How to fix error something went wrong, please try again later in Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On Snapchat, if you're facing the error that says something went wrong, please try again later, then I will guide you on how you can fix that problem. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. You want to try switching between Wi-Fi and data. If internet is not the problem, then next step you want to do is check if your application is up to date. For that, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Snapchat. Here, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on this and update Snapchat to the latest version. After updating the app, any bugs will be fixed. If that doesn't fixes your issue, then you want to head over to your settings. Here, you want to tap on Apps. Then you want to search for Snapchat. Here you want to tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. After that is done, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall the Snapchat application. After that, you want to reinstall it and then check if your issue has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.